Hello and welcome back. Today I'm fixing a Panasonic remote, where the power button is dead. There's also an issue with the volume and channel buttons. They only work if you press them hard. You can see there's no infrared signal coming from the power button when pressed. And from the volume and channel buttons, infrared comes only when pressed hard. Let's open it and try to fix it. First, I'll brush away the dirt, then I'll wipe down the PCB and the keypad with isopropyl alcohol. I'm using a hole punch to stamp out circular pads from an aluminum foil sheet. As a base, I'm going to use a piece of hard foam. If you don't have a hole punch, you can just use scissors instead to cut these pads. I use a strong adhesive to stick these aluminum pads onto the rubber keypad. I only applied glue to the worn-out keys, to the power key, and the volume and channel keys. The infrared LED lights up again when the power button is pressed. Everything works fine now. The TV is responding to the remote again. It's a simple way to get more life out of your remote without having to replace it. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.